Hello, your girl back again, and today I'm gonna show you how to slay with some touch of brown glam. So let me take you back to the beginning. Let's go ahead and get into this look. So first things first, I am going to start by priming my face with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Primer, and then I'm going to slay my eyebrows with the Benefit Brow Pencil in number 5. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eyes using the all-time favorite concealer by Too Faced. This is my favorite, guys, my favorite. Alrighty, so after I'm done prepping and concealing my face, for today's look, I am going to use the Morphe 350 Nature Glow Palette. This is where we're going to get all of our eyeshadows for our glam today. To start, for my transitioning eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Beige Matte Fawn Eyeshadow. Before applying my transitioning eyeshadow, I'm going to tap my eyeshadow brush once or twice, just to tap off any excessive eyeshadow that we don't need. And then I'm going to use a dabbing motion so that I can go ahead and pack down my first eyeshadow. Once I pack it all down, I'm going to blend it in using circular motions and then using small strokes at the end of my eye to create a wing shape. Next, I'm going to use the Unreal Matte Pecan color in the Morphe palette to go ahead and blend in my second eyeshadow on my eye crease. I am going to do the same thing I did with my first eyeshadow. I'm going to pack it down and then use circular motions to blend it in. So I'm just going to repeat the process again, just with a darker eyeshadow. For my second shade, I am going to first apply it on my eye crease and then blend it outwards towards my eyebrows. The third eyeshadow that I'm going to use from the palette is called Click Matte Rosewood. This is a darker eyeshadow that I'm going to apply on my eye crease and on the outer corner of my eyes to make a wing eyeshadow shape. Once I'm done blending my eyeshadow, I'm going to use a flat concealer brush to create a half cut crease. Now here's a quick tip that you might already know, but you don't want to apply a lot of concealer to where it's dripping, because if it's dripping too much, it can get a little messy. Anyways, when you start cutting your crease, make sure that you start from your inner corner and follow your eye crease. Once you get closer to the middle of your eye, make sure that your cut crease is above your eyelid. To make sure it's above your eyelid, you can look up If it didn't smear or spread, then you are good on your half cut crease. You are good, honey. If it did spread, then you'll need to conceal a little bit more above your eye crease, just a little bit more. This will prevent your eyeshadow or cut crease from smearing once you are done doing your makeup. After I'm done creating my half cut crease, I am going to retouch my eyeshadow with the Click Matte Rosewood shade again. Now it's time for the shiny part. For my half cut crease, I'm going to blend two shimmer eyeshadows from the same palette. The first one is going to be the silvery pink shimmer, and the second one is going to be the metallic pink ice. The silvery pink shimmer is lighter, so I'm going to use that towards the inner corner of my eye. Once I'm done applying my shimmer, I am going to retouch my eyeshadow again and then apply my eyeliner using the MAC 24-Hour Wear Eyeliner. While I was retouching my eyeshadow, I also used the Slight Matte Cocoa eyeshadow. It's a bit darker, so it gave me that extra boost I needed just to top off my look. After I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara before applying my Lilly lashes on. And then once we get those things poppin', we're going to go ahead and start applying our concealer and foundation. Now I know y'all see the difference. Look at that. The eyelashes make a big difference, honey. Anyways, before applying my foundation, I am going to apply concealer onto the dark circles under my eyes. Gotta cover those. Then I'm going to use my blending egg to settle it in after blending it in with my concealer brush. After I'm done blending my concealer, I'm going to apply my Too Faced foundation and blend it in using a foundation brush. Then I'm going to finish setting it in with my blending egg. After, I'm going to sharpen some of my features by contouring a bit. I'm going to definitely define my cheekbones, jaws, and nose to make it look slimmer. Because, you know, we gotta have that cute nose. Know what I mean? Here, I'm going to use the same foundation brush just to blend in my contour, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my blending egg to set it in. Same way as we did with the concealer and the foundation. After, I'm gonna add more concealer under my eyes and on top of my nose to make it look slim, cute. And then let's not forget our blush. I add just a bit and I start halfway down for my cheeks and stroke upwards. That way when I smile, girl, I got them cheeks blushing. Here, our last step is to set in our foundation using the Huda Beauty Blondie Baking Powder. This is the best powder in the world. It really does set in your foundation and it'll last you all day. And then boom, girl, you poppin'. Okay, honey, where you going? But yes, this is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys learned a lot from it. And let's not forget, beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. So don't be afraid to wear your face, girl. Show what your mama gave you and blessed you with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for any specific requests. And also follow me on social media. Thank you again for your support and love. Bye!